Welcome to the unit, the calendar. Overview. Let us have a look at the overview. The overview slide consists of 3 sections, namely Introduction, Instruction, and Evaluation. The Introduction section is meant to motivate the student to learn the lesson. The Instruction section divides the contents of the lesson into 4 subsections. They are Content, Communication, Constructive Components, and Enrichment Activities. The lesson is covered under Content. All the activities pertaining to the 4 skills of language and their assessment are covered under the sections Communication and the Constructive Components. The enrichment activities are meant to widen the scope of the student's thinking and learning, thereby making him or her a global citizen. The extent of understanding of the module can be assessed by the student under the evaluation section. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn the poem, The Calendar, summarize the story, The Calendar, Introduction. Let us start our lesson with some questions. Do you know how many months are there in a year? Do you know about a leap year? Sing the poem. Hey, hey, when is your birthday? Clap your hand if it's January. Stamp your feet if it's February. Shrug your shoulders if it's March. If it's April, up you stand. Born in May, wave your hand. June's the month to touch the sky. Fly around if it's July. If it's August, blow your nose. In September, touch those toes. If your day is in October, start your day by rolling over. In November, bend your knees. Here's December, you must freeze. Comprehension, Activity 1. Click the words that you can find in the song. Comprehension, Activity 2. Rearrange the jumbled letters to get the names of the months. Click Submit to verify your answers. Comprehension, Activity 3. Match the following terms given under Group A with Group B. Click Submit to verify your answers. Comprehension, Activity 4. Match the following dates given under Group A with Group B. Click Submit to verify your answers. Comprehension, Activity 5. Select the correct month and day from the drop-down menu. Comprehension, Activity 6. Identify the names of the months that are hidden in the grid and write them in the space given below. 1 is done for you. Click Reference button for your reference. Study skills. Name Mahatma Gandhi. Date of birth 2nd October 1869. Name APJ Abdul Kalam. Date of birth 15th October 1931. Name Mother Teresa. Date of birth 26th August 1910. Name B.R. Ambedkar. Date of birth 14th April 1891. Name Swami Vivekananda. Date of birth 12th January 1863. Study skills. Activity. Identify the names of the person from Group A to Group B. Click Submit to verify your answers. Let us learn about the seasons in a year. We have 3 seasons. They are winter season, summer season, and rainy season. Winter season. It is very cold in winter, so we must wear warm clothes in this season. Winter season will be in November, December, January, and February. Summer season. It is very hot in summer, so we should wear cotton clothes. It is nice to drink juices and eat ice creams in this season. Summer season will be in March, April, May, and June. Rainy season. Everyone loves to play in the rain. It is always good to carry raincoats or umbrellas during the rainy season. The rainy season will be in July, August, September, and October. Drag and drop the month names into the seasons in which they exist. Click Submit to verify the answers. The calendar. Hi friends, my name is Mother Calendar. I have 12 children and their names are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There will be 4 seasons in every year. The summer season is from March to May. The rainy season begins in second week of June and continues up to second week of October. Autumn begins in October and continues up to November. The winter season begins in December and ends in February. These seasons differ from country to country. Some months have 30 days and some months have 31 days. Only one month has 28 days, that is February. For every 4 years, there will be 29 days in February. This year is called as a leap year. There will be 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Glossary. The meanings of certain words along with their usage in a sentence are shown. Click the audio button to listen to the pronunciation of each word. Shrug, recede, blow, freeze. Comprehension. Read the following questions from the story, The Calendar, and try to answer them on your own. You can click the Answer tab for your reference. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this section. Every year has 12 months. Every month has 30 or 31 days. There will be 28 days in February month. For every leap year, there will be 29 days. The summer season is from March to May. The rainy season begins in second week of June and continues up to second week of October. Autumn begins in October and continues up to November. The winter season begins in December and ends in February. There will be 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Comprehension. Activity 1. Drag and drop the suitable option to fill in the following blanks. Click Submit to verify your answers. Comprehension, Activity 2. Match the following given under Group A with Group B. Click Submit to verify your answers. Writing skills. Read out the following poem in a rhythmic way, dancing with all your friends in the class, and write the poem in your notebook. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. All day long, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Oh, what a fun! Oh, what a fun! Writing skills. Activity 1. Imagine that you and your friend look at the calendar. Now write the answers in the following blanks for the questions your friend asked you. Click Reference button for your reference. Listening skills. Listen to the following story and answer the questions that follow. One evening, Chintu went to the birthday party of his friend Ravi. He ate many sweets there, but he liked the carrot halwa very much. Chintu wanted to eat carrot halwa again and again. Chintu ran to his mother and said, "Amma, I ate carrot halwa at Ravi's birthday party. It is very tasty. Please make it for me every day." "It's okay, my boy, but carrot halwa every day?" Mother wondered. "Yes, Amma, I want to eat carrot halwa every day," said Chintu. "No, my dear, carrots are not available in the market," said Mother. "Then why don't we buy halwa from the sweet shop, Amma? Really, it is very tasty," requested Chintu. "No, my son, it is very expensive. But we can grow carrots in our garden," she suggested. Chintu was very happy. Now, answer the following. Follow-up work. Take up the following activity. Write the names of all months and days in a chart and paste them in your classroom. Enrichment activities. As a part of enrichment activities, have a look at the following links. Quotes. Let us listen to a few quotes. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Dr. Seuss. Test your understanding of the lesson by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter, The Calendar.